Okay, it's IELTS speaking part 1 and we'll ask you some questions and you have to answer. So let's start.
Do people in your country prefer tea or coffee?
Mostly in my country, in Pakistan, people used to take tea.
People usually take tea is fine, but it's better to say people usually drink tea or people usually have tea. H-A-V-E, have. Have is appropriate, drink is appropriate, take is fine, but it's old-fashioned, okay? Yes.
Do you prepare tea or coffee for guests at home?
No, not usual, but whenever I am alone in my home, then I have to make tea for me.
How selfish, huh? Listen, focus the question. The question is, do you prepare tea or coffee for the guests at home? So you can say, yes, whenever the guests come to my house, I first ask them whether they need tea or coffee. If it is winter, they always prefer tea, coffee. So I make tea, coffee at home. I'm a very good coffee maker. So whenever guests come to my house, I serve them delicious coffee or tea. This is what the question is. Now ask the same question again.
Do you prepare tea or coffee for guests at your home?
Yeah, sometimes I prepared for them if they say, but especially in winter season, they used to prefer tea.
They prefer tea.
They prefer tea rather than drinks, cold drinks or other drinks. So I used to prepare. And
I usually prepare
and serve them
with tea or coffee. This is good. Okay, just organize your answer. It will take some time. You'll be fine. Okay. Yes. One more.
When was the last time you drank tea or coffee?
In
the morning today.
Yeah. In the morning today, when I was traveling to Lahore, I had a tea.
I had a cup of tea at home. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Multan. I came from Multan.
All right, you have come all the way from Multan.
Yeah.
All right. That's good. Overall, it is fine, but you need to work hard and your answer should be properly organized and try to use a variety of words in each answer. Don't use the same language. Use different words for each answer, right? Okay, thank you.